Okay, in this video lesson, we're going to be answering the patai. An equation with a gradient of 3.5 passes through the point 0, comma, negative 2. Okay, so we know that our gradient is 3.5, and we know that the point is 0, comma, negative 2. We're going to use the point slope formula to find the equation of that line. Okay, substituting in now. Since this is the one and only point we have, this is our x1 and our y1, and the 3.5 is the gradient m. Substituting into the formula, y minus y sub 1 becomes y minus negative 2. That is going to be the gradient, 3.5 times x minus x sub 1, which is 0. Simplifying, I know minus a minus becomes plus. 3.5 times x is 3.5x, times 0 is nothing. So, all we have to do now is to get this equation to begin y equals, and we're done. Because it's going to be y equals mx plus c. That's how you know when you've got it in the proper form. This plus 2 is going to change sides. We want to bring that plus 2 over to the other side. Well, when something changes sides, it changes its operation. So a plus 2 will change sides and become 3.5x minus 2. Y equals, that is the equation of our line. Thanks for watching. Any patai, send them my way. Maori mahi, Maori ora, ka kite ano.